Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goal or goal for the steps on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goal on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Another thing to mention is that you need to be logged in into a Xiaomi account in the application for it to work. So once you have the watch paired with a phone and you're logged in into a Xiaomi account, you should see, or rather you should open the health page, and on it you should see the stats right here at the top. Tap on it to open the stats menu. Here tap on the more options icon and then tap on stats. And it will bring you to this page, and here we have our default stats. And if we go to our watch, open the activities or stats, you should see that the goal is 6,000 and we want to change it to something else. So we can tap on steps. For example, set it to, I don't know, maybe 12,000 steps, tap on OK, and then we can go back. And if we go back to our watch, the goal will be updated, as you can see. Okay, and then we can close the application, and that's how you change the step goal or goal for the steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.